Hey guys, and welcome back to another Daniel Metzer photography video, where today I'm going to show you the FUJIFILM Instax Mini 9. The camera was actually a Christmas present from a friend, but it arrived about 1 week ago. So right now I'm just going to make a little unboxing video, and I'm going to show you what's in the box and how to use it and how to set it up. But I'm planning on making a full review in the future, so be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss that. So let's begin. Right here on the side it says what's in there. So you have the instant camera, the Instax Mini 9, a hand strap, a close-up lens attachment, a sticker, AA batteries and an instruction manual. And there we have it. So let's have a look inside. Here we have the close-up lens attachment, which is super cool, and I'm going to show you how to attach it later. A strap for the camera and the camera itself. Mine is in cobalt blue, also the manuals and the sticker. Film looks like this. Film is easy to get. There's film in various versions. There's like black and white film, and this is color film. And I'm going to show you how to insert the cassette into the camera later, but make sure you buy film because otherwise you can't use the camera. So let's have a look at the camera itself. The camera is not very heavy. It's completely made out of plastic. I haven't seen a single piece that is not plastic. I'm not even sure if the lens is plastic or glass, except for the screws. So you turn this camera on by pressing this lever down, which makes the lens pop up. So after you turn the camera on, the flash will need a moment to load, which is indicated by this orange light next to the viewfinder. So after you turn it on and the flash is loaded, you will see a scale up here with a house, a cloud, sun, a bright sun and high key, and a LED that will indicate what the light meter inside the camera would take as an exposure, and you're just turning the ring to what it says. All that really does is change the aperture inside the camera. You can see that. So if you want to put just a little bit more brightness on your picture, go to the high key setting, but you shouldn't use that outside. These two pictures, you can see the difference. The upper one is with high key and the lower one without. When you turn off the camera, the ring will snap back into place, like this. These two holes are for the light meter, so don't lock them while taking a picture. On this side we have the shutter button, which is just a simple press, nothing like a SLR where you have a half press and a full press. The viewfinder up here. Inside the viewfinder you can see a little circle which marks the center. On the side here is the battery compartment, you just pull that down. The film counter, a little viewfinder to see if there's film inside the camera. The ejection slot where the pictures will come out later. The flash, and this little interesting thing, that's on the lens. We have also this little interesting thing, which is a selfie mirror with a fingerprint of mine. A selfie mirror, so if you're planning to take a selfie and don't want to waste a picture, which you can understand, you have this little mirror to kinda guess where to point the camera. There is no way to turn off the flash, which is kinda annoying, because even in the setting of bright sunlight, you still shoot with flash. Which is kinda annoying. So if you're taking pictures of yourself or a friend with glasses, make sure to angle it somehow, because you will see the reflections of the flash in the glasses otherwise. So the lens is a Instax lens 60mm with a focus range of 60mm to infinity. But if you want to get closer than this, you have the close-up lens attachment. Make sure to turn the camera off before attaching it. To attach it, just put the little thumb in there and press it on. So this will give you a range of 35 to 50 centimeters. So yeah, use that when taking selfies or close-ups. On the back we have the compartment where the film cassettes go in, and I'm going to show you right now. So let me show you how to load this camera with film. To open it, just pull this lever and open the door. Take your film, which comes in these little aluminium packagings. Rip that apart. Try to be careful. And take it by the sides. Try not to touch anything right here. As you can see by these pictograms. Align the yellow things and it will fall right in. Then you just have to close the back door. Now you can see in the little window the yellow piece appeared, which tells you that there is film inside already. Turn on the camera. And now don't be afraid. Take a picture, because the first thing that will come out is a security sheet, which protects the other sheets beneath. You don't need this afterwards, so you can just throw that away. And you're ready to shoot. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've liked this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. See you!